Welcome to How to Be a Wedding MC Starter Kit. In this course we will cover the basics of what it means to be a wedding MC and what the role entails. Maybe you're the friend who has been asked to MC at someone's wedding, or a wedding celebrant looking to upskill to hosting wedding receptions. I'm going to take you through exactly what you need to know in order, one step at a time. This starter kit takes you through the first 3 steps of my 14-step full course called How to Be an Amazing Wedding MC, tips and tricks so you don't F it up. By the end of this starter kit, you will know exactly what a wedding MC's duties include, how a traditional wedding day is structured, and you'll be able to do what is required to keep the reception running smoothly and making you feel confident, relaxed, having fun, and creating an unforgettable night for the newlyweds. My name is Gary Clementson and I'm an authorised civil marriage celebrant and wedding MC with a bachelor degree in performing art. I'm teaching these practices from a strong knowledge base and years of experience working with crowds and officiating weddings. I utilise these same techniques to go from small town electrician to professional celebrant and wedding MC, and you can too. I can't wait to see you in the course. Let's get started.